The Southern African Power Pool is more than a network. It's a platform to trade power, connect grids, and make electricity more reliable across the region.
One should think of it as a shared power marketplace for the region. SAP has the potential to solve the region's power shortages. With many countries in the region struggling with electricity shortages, SAP can alleviate these shortages by allowing countries to buy power from neighbors that have an excess supply. By sharing power through the SAP, the whole region becomes more stable and attractive to investors. SAP potentially opens up powerful new growth opportunities for IPPs and other regional players by expanding access to markets, improving bankability of projects, and encouraging cross-border collaboration. Through SAP, IPPs are not limited to selling power within their home market, as it allows them to export electricity across borders. This can be particularly important in smaller countries with limited demand, as projects can be scaled to meet regional demand. Aggregators, traders, and energy services companies can potentially optimize power across the region. This supports new business models in portfolio-based trading, grid services, and flexible supply contracting.
Our strategy includes actively engaging with energy aggregators participating in cross-border transactions, because we recognize the critical role they play in regional power markets. Our goal is to collaborate and build strategic relationships with participants operating within the SAP to support regional energy integration. We are also following the Regional Transmission Infrastructure Financing Facility Program, which is a collaboration between development and commercial capital to fund electricity interconnection and cross-border transmission infrastructure across Southern Africa. A significant factor for SAP to reach its full potential is to develop the inter-regional transmission infrastructure between the SADC countries. If we think more broadly, Africa needs transmission in order to roll out the renewable energy potential it has to decarbonise and bring electricity to the unserved areas of the continent. While infrastructure remains a significant barrier, especially in terms of grid capacity and stability, regulatory and commercial alignment is increasingly becoming the bigger issue. Ensuring that policies are clear and markets are accessible is crucial for unlocking the full potential of IPPs in the region. Creating competitive electricity markets and facilitating cross-border trade within the SAP can enhance commercial opportunities for such IPPs. Regulatory reforms that promote market access and fair competition are essential.
If SAP can live up to its potential, the impact would be transformational, not only for the energy sector, but for the entire region's economy, climate resilience, and development agenda. Consumers and businesses would benefit from fewer power outages, a more reliable electricity supply, coupled with more affordable electricity driven by increased competition. IPPs would be able to tap into a bigger market pool to sell their power into, thus providing opportunities to scale faster and compete on quality and cost. SAP would become a force multiplier for economic transformation and climate leadership by driving economic growth, improving quality of life, and supporting sustainable development.
At Nedbank, CIB, we see the Southern African Power Pool not just as an opportunity, but as a blueprint for regional energy cooperation that works.